Hey girls! Today we're talking about 5 common mistakes that Russian speakers make when they're speaking English. And these are very common mistakes because we have some differences between English and Russian, especially when you're translating from Russian into English. So, the first important one I'm going to talk about is I feel myself. Now, in English, you don't need to say I feel myself because when you say I feel, we already understand that it's you. So in this case, you just need to say I feel. So instead of I feel myself sad or I feel myself worried or I feel myself happy, you can just say I feel worried, I feel happy, I feel excited. So you don't need to include myself because that's already understood. The second one is I'm agree. In English, agree is actually the verb, not the adjective. So you don't need to say I'm agree. Just gonna cut out the little I'm, and all you have to say is I agree. So if I asked you, or if I told you, Florida is a beautiful place to live, then you could say I agree. Or if you said learning English is so much fun, you can say I agree. The third common mistake is thanks God. In English, what you need to say is thank God without the S. Because I can say thank you, or I thank my parents, thank your friends for these beautiful flowers. And in the same way, we'll say thank God. So just remove the S. If you want to use thanks by itself, then you don't include the person. You can just say, oh, thanks, I enjoyed the wine, or thanks for coming. But when you include the person, you just want to say thank. So thank you, thank Mila, thank God. The fourth common mistake is sport. In English, instead of sport, we usually say exercise. So exercise includes every type of movement you can think of, from yoga to kickboxing, to pole dancing, to soccer, to tennis, to walking. All of these are exercise. Sports relates to games, especially games that have points. So things like tennis is a sport, basketball is a sport, soccer is a sport. Because these are games that have specific rules and points, usually people that win and people that lose. So in English, sports is more specific than exercise. So if you go to the gym and you are doing yoga, you are doing exercise, not sports. And lucky number 5 is sit at home. So sit at home is not actually incorrect in English, but it has a very specific meaning. So if you tell me that you are sitting at home all day, in my mind, you're actually sitting at home. You're not moving, you're not cleaning, you're not dancing in your kitchen, but you're just sitting at home. So in English, the best thing to say is stay at home. Lacy, what did you do today? I just stayed at home. And when I use stay at home, then I have all the options. So maybe I was doing yoga, maybe I was recording a YouTube video, maybe I was hanging out with my husband. And this all goes with stay at home. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. And if you'd like some more extra English practice below, please write your either 3 to 5 sentences using these phrases correctly in English. I'll check them and give you my feedback. Hope you have a beautiful day.